Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string slicing with indexes. So first of all, what are strings in Python programming? So strings are collection of any characters. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is known as string. For example, hello in single quote, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. So now coming to Python string with indexes. So for every character in a string, we have indexes. For example, SS is hello, HELLO. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left to right, and -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So -1 to -5, right to left. So we use square brackets slice operator to access characters of a string individually. For example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, HELLO. SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So now coming to slicing. So slicing means getting required characters from a string using its indexes and slice operator. So the syntax goes like this: string name SS, slice operator, starting index colon ending index. So here ending index character is not taken, it is not considered. For example, SS of 0, 3. So it will take indexes 0, 1, 2 characters. 3 is not included. So 0, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not included. -4 to -1. So -4, -3, -2, -1 is not included. So let us perform slicing on strings using a small program. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So we'll do all cases one by one for our clear understanding. So I'm taking SS hello. So print SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, HELLO. SS of -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Last to first, OLLEH. So save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program, and then run Python. So string slicing indexes. Okay, right. So slicings example1.py. So HELLO 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 OLLEH -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Last to first. Okay, next let us use starting index, ending index. So print SS of 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not included. -5 to -1. So save this, run. So HELL 4 is not included. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 index character is not included. So next let us take SS. I'm not giving starting index colon ending index is not given, so it will take completely beginning to ending if you don't give any starting index and ending index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So next I'm giving only starting index ss of 1 colon, ending index is not given, so it will take till last index element automatically. Save, run. So 1 2 3 4 ELLO. Next, now I'm not giving starting index, but I'm giving ending index ss of, so it will start from 0 till 4, so 4 is not included. Save, run. 0 1 2 3. So when starting index and ending index is not given, for slicing it will take completely beginning to ending. Next, ss 1 4. Okay, 1 2 3, 4 is not included. 1 2 3, indexes corresponding character ELL. Next, coming to the negative indexes, -5 till last index, because last index is not given, it will take till -1. Next, beginning index is not given, so it will take -5 to -1. -1 is not included, so save it, run. So -5 -4 -3 -2 -1. So start from -5 -4 -3 -2, -1 is not included here, right? So next, let us take 4 1. So I'm trying to perform slicing in backward direction, so backward direction is not possible. Okay, so for that we have to give step value. We will discuss that in the next video. Similarly, -1 to -4, so this is also backward slicing, it is not possible. Okay, right, in both the cases backward slicing is not done. So save this and run. So both of them returns nothing, no value string. So this is how we are supposed to work with string slicing using indexes and slice operator, which is a square bracket. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.